Gotham actor Donal Logue is asking for the public to help him find his missing 16-year-old daughter. Logue tweeted his daughter Jade was last seen near Barclays Center in Brooklyn on Monday, June 26, and has not been seen or heard from since. The tweet has since been deleted. Sunday, he reached out with another plea on Twitter and Facebook. Whoever knows where she is, whoever may be with her, clearly this thing has become big and crazy. The net has been flung far and wide, and luckily, I have dog teams from the NYPD, FBI, and others involved. The point is, you may have had good intentions to try to help her, but realize now that it's bigger than you could have ever anticipated. Jade, who was born Arlo Logue, is transgender and identifies as female. Logue's ex-wife and Jade's mom, Casey Smith, also took to social media to reach out for help. She posted a video telling her daughter,
"We love you. We miss you terribly. Please come home, Jade."
Many of Logue's Hollywood friends tweeted their support of him or retweeted Logue's tweets, including Olivia Wilde, Logue's CBGB co-star Stana Katic, and his Just Like Heaven co-star Mark Ruffalo.